stop right there. If you want to fix the top makeup mistakes that make you look older, your foundation or your age isn't the problem. In today's video, I'm showing you how to fix the common makeup mistakes that look cheap using research-backed techniques that instantly give you an elevated, youthful makeup routine. Here's what makes this fascinating. Landmark research in beauty perception actually found that makeup can make women in their 40s, and especially 50s, appear significantly younger. But scientists discovered this isn't simply about hiding wrinkles under layers of product. In fact, research shows that makeup can actually make very young women appear older, while restoring a youthful, polished look to mature faces. Why? Because makeup alters specific visual properties like skin homogeneity, facial contrast, and feature size that our brains use when judging age. And when those cues are altered incorrectly, your makeup can start to look heavy, unrefined, or unpolished. Today, we are taking these facial perception principles and applying them directly to your daily routine, focusing on contrast, skin uniformity, and facial structure. This will help you stop blindly following generic trends and start understanding why certain techniques actually work. Mistake number 1. You're losing the contrast that makes your features pop. Research across diverse populations has found that several aspects of facial luminance and color contrasts tend to decrease with age. The subtle boundaries between our eyes, eyebrows, lips, and surrounding skin soften over time. Because facial contrast is one of the visual cues people use when judging age. Losing that crisp definition can contribute to an older, washed-out appearance. The mistake isn't that you aren't wearing enough makeup. It's applying it in a way that erases the natural contrast that frames your face. Here's how we strategically restore that contrast. For your eyebrows, don't draw blocky, heavy, dark boxes, but don't wash them out either. Fill in sparse areas with soft, hair-like strokes, matching your root tone to re-establish your frame. For your eyes, do not let your lash line melt into your eyelids. A soft, deep brown tight line at the root of your lashes restores the crisp shape of your eyes without looking heavy. For your lips, when your lip line fades into your complexion, your lower face loses definition. Use a lip liner just one shade deeper than your natural lip tone to define the perimeter before adding color. Myth versus reality. Now, here's where beauty advice gets confusing. People hear facial contrast decreases with age and then think, so I need darker, heavier makeup? No, that is exactly the wrong takeaway. The goal isn't maximum heavy contrast. It's strategic, natural contrast. Mistake number 2, you're making your skin too uniformed. Research strongly supports that skin tone evenness or homogeneity is an important visual signal of youth and vitality. But there is a massive distinction to keep in mind. Evenness does not equal uniformity. Here's the distinction. Youthful-looking skin isn't necessarily perfectly uniform like a painted wall. You want to reduce distracting unevenness while preserving the natural variation that gives your face dimension. When you coat your entire face in an opaque, ultra-matte layer of foundation, you can create a much more uniform surface and lose some of the natural variation that gives your complexion dimension. That flat, mask-like surface is what makes makeup look visually heavy and unrefined. The goal isn't to make every inch of your face look identical. You want to even out redness or discoloration while letting your skin look alive. Spot correct and sheer out. Apply your foundation starting at the center of your face where discoloration lives, blending outward so it sheers out toward your hairline and jawline. Preserve natural variation. Let light bounce naturally off the high points of your cheekbones and the bridge of your nose. Targeted powdering. Avoid dusting setting powder everywhere. Use a small, precise brush to lock down only high shine areas like the sides of the nose and chin, leaving the rest looking like healthy, hydrated skin. Mistake number 3, your makeup is fighting your facial structure. While research explores how makeup alters perceived feature sizes, in practice, this comes down to visual geometry. Makeup creates lines, shadows, and weight. Where you place color and shadow changes how the eye interprets your face, whether it looks lifted and balanced, or dragged down and visually busy. Here is how you use practical placement principles to work with your structure. For contour placement, feel for your cheekbone structure by gently pressing under the bone with your finger. Keep shadow application on or slightly above the natural hollow to support your cheeks rather than pulling them down. For blush placement, instead of placing blush low on the apples of your cheeks, which pulls the face down when your expression rests, place it higher along the upper cheekbone, sweeping gently upward toward the temple. For eye lines, angle your eyeshadow and liner to align with the upward trajectory of your lower lash line to lift the entire face cohesively. When all your visual lines point in a harmonious direction, your face looks instantly cohesive and refined. So, if there is one key lesson I want you to take away today, it is this: expensive-looking makeup isn't about using more makeup or buying luxury brands. It is about making every detail work in harmony with your face. To wrap it all up, perception science shows us that makeup doesn't make you look younger or more polished by masking your features. It works by restoring strategic contrast, preserving dimensional skin, and creating structural harmony. You don't need to erase your age. You don't need to cover every line. And you certainly don't need to look like someone else. You just need to understand your face. If you loved this science-backed approach to beauty, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and drop a comment below letting me know which of these 3 tweaks you're trying tomorrow. Until next time, stay gorgeous and keep glowing. And I will see you in the next video.